This is a video on mathematics for the students of class 9, and in the previous year you must remember we had discussed about simultaneous linear equations. We had learned how to solve two linear equations simultaneously to take out the values of the unknown variable. In this class we'll be dealing with some of the problem sums on real-time situations and how to solve them using simultaneous linear equations. So the first sum that we have from your exercise is the sum of two numbers is 2. If their difference is 20, find the numbers. So we have been given two numbers. This is a very simple sum. So basically in this chapter when we are solving the sum, we will try to form two equations with two variables each. So suppose like here we have been given sum of two numbers is 2. So we know that we need to add two numbers which is going to give us 2. So we'll take x and y. Now one of the number is x and the other number is y. Now we know that sum of these two is 2. That means we can write it x plus y is equal to 2. Now if there is a difference of 20, that means sum is 2 but the difference of these two numbers is 20. That means x minus y should give us 20. Now since if you see that we have formed two equations here with two variables each, and those variables are common. X is common in both the equations, y is common in both the equation. So since the variable terms are similar, so we can actually solve them. So what we are doing is you can either solve it by addition, but here we've started with subtracting the equation 1 and equation 2. So on subtracting we get 2y minus 18. Because you remember if here's a plus sign, so because since we are subtracting it, so plus becomes minus, so plus x and minus x is 0, minus and minus again turns to positive, so it comes to 2y, and here we have negative 20 and positive 20, so plus minus is minus, and since 18 is 20, which is a bigger number, has a negative sign, so we'll put on minus 18. So you get the value of y as minus 9. Now since we've got the value of y, now we can substitute the value of y in any of the two equations. Though I have substituted in equation 1, you can also substitute in equation 2. You will get the similar answer. So on substituting the value of y in the equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 2, we get x is equal to 2 minus 9, because value of y is minus 9. So you get 2 minus 9. So your value of x is equal to 11. So this is how we solve the sums. We had first taken two terms as the variables, and then we formed two equations that has been given in the question itself, and then first subtracting it, and then whatever value we get we have substituted in the equation. So this was a very basic sum from this chapter. Let's look into the next sum. Next question we have the cost of 5 kgs of sugar and 7 kgs of rice is 153, and the cost of 7 kg of sugar and 5 kg of rice is 147. Find the cost of 6 kgs of sugar and 10 kgs of rice. Now since we know that instead of sugar we can use the variable x, and for rice we can use y. Now we've been given two conditions, that when you are buying 5 kgs of sugar and 7 kg of rice, it costs you rupees 153. So we got our first equation as 5 times of x, which we are using for sugar, and 7 times of y, which we are using for rice. Now 5x plus 7y is giving us 153. Now second condition, we have 7 kgs of sugar and 5 kgs of rice. That means we have 7x plus 5y, which is equal to 147. So we have two equations here. Now we've got our two equations. Now we are subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. We get 7x plus 5y is equal to 147, and 5x plus 7y, which is equal to 153. Now if you see here, none of the terms are equal. That means we need to make them equal. Now in order to make them equal, we need to multiply our equation 1 with 5 and your equation 1 with 7 and equation 2 with 5 so that you have identical terms. Remember, this is your second term. Okay. Now on multiplying the first equation with 5, we get 35x plus 25y, which is equal to 735. Now second equation we are multiplying with 7, that is we have 35x plus 49y, which gives us 1071. Now since this equation on subtracting this gets cancelled, so here we are left with minus 24y, which is equal to minus 336, where y is equal to 14. Now once we've got the value of y, now we can substitute the value of y in equation 1 or equation 2 as per your choice. I've substituted in equation 1, which is 5x plus 7y equal to 153. So on substituting we get 5x plus 7y, which is equal to 153. 5x, we know the value of y is 14, so when you multiply with that you get 98. So 5x plus 98 is equal to 153. On solving you are left with 55. So 5x is equal to 55. So x is equal to 11. So cost of 6 kgs of sugar is rupees 66, because we need to actually find out the cost of sugar and rice. So 6 kg of sugar means 6 times of 11, 6 times of x, so 6 times of 11 is giving us rupees 66, and 10 kg of rice is equal to 140. Remember, we have to find the total cost of 6 kg of sugar and 10 kgs of rice. So when we add these two, we get 206 rupees as our answer. So the cost of 6 kg of sugar and 10 kgs of rice together gives us 206 rupees. So this is all we have from the video today. In the next video, we'll continue with the chapter.